Question number 10th. Y is equal to 76 and y is equal to x square minus 5. Okay. The graphs of the given equation in the xy plane intersect at the xy plane. What is the possible value of x? So that means whatever are the values of x and y, they will satisfy both. So because we are solving the simultaneous system, so now we have to find one solution. We can equate this is equal to y and this is also equal to y. So that means x squared minus 5 is equal to 76. We have to calculate for x. So adding 5 on both sides, 76 plus 5, x squared is equal to 81. Now here is an important concept. Whenever you square root, then x will have positive and negative value, right? So x squared square root and positive and negative both. Okay, so here the rules of exponents are used when it is x squared, right? And the square root sign has power 1 by 2. So that means that is x is equal to. Now square root of 81 is 9. So that is plus minus 2. Let's explain this a little bit more. When I put x is equal to negative 9, or when I take x is equal to negative 9 and square it, it becomes positive 81. And when I do x is equal to positive 9 and square it, again it is 81. So when it is given to me that x squared is equal to 81, I am not sure the value of x is positive 9 or negative 9. So it can have both the values. Okay, now let's go to the option. What is the possible value for x? Yes, it can be negative 9 or positive 9, and because it is said possible value, so yes, negative 9 is also possible with plus 9 or positive 9. Okay. Question number 11. Each side of an equilateral triangle S is multiplied by a scale factor of k to create equilateral triangle T. The length of each side of triangle T is greater than the length of each side of triangle S. Okay, let's see both points very carefully. First, this one, because we are talking about scale factor, right? That means the new figure is not of exact size but of exact angles. Now let's say this is our first triangle, right? It's an equilateral triangle, so all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. And let's draw another one which is also an equilateral triangle, but this time side is not same to that of this, but angles are same. So these three figures are said to be similar, or this one is dilated. Now if I draw a third one, okay, because I have already drawn a smaller one, so I have to go with this one. So this is the original, right? This is its first drawn similar figure. This one is second. Now this figure is smaller. O2 is smaller than the original one. So yes, it will also be said as diluted, right? Dilated, sorry. And this is also dilated. So O is the original one. O1 is dilated but bigger than original. And O2 is also dilated, but it is also dilated, but it will be smaller than original. Maybe this side is 4. So this is 4 and this is 4. And this one is 8, this is 8 and this is 8. And for this, the sides are 2 and 2 and 2. So in original side is 2. In this one side is side is 4. In this one side is 2. So here the scale factor is half, because every time you are just taking the half of the original one. And here the scale factor is 2. This concept you have to learn for this question. So this is the original figure. O2 is smaller than this, right? Where side is 2, here side is 4. And O1 is greater than this, where side is 8. So because it is getting half, so scale factor is half. It is getting doubled, so scale factor is double. Now let's do one more observation in this question to answer this particular question. When it is bigger, this scale factor is greater than 1. When it is smaller, this scale factor is smaller than 1. So in our question, okay, I have to rub this because I hope you get the concept. Yeah. So which of the following could be the values of k? Because triangle T is greater than that of us, so that means scale factor will be greater than 1. And it is 1? No. It's same. No, 0. Okay. When you do 28 by 29, its value is less than 1. But because triangle T is greater than us, so its value should be greater than 1. So A is the right option. A little bit tricky one. So you can comment me if you have found any doubt. Otherwise, I hope that is clear.